Hey everybody, Cody with DroneAdair here again. I wanted to show you in this tutorial video how to upgrade to a pro subscription if you are either in trial or on free. Ultimately, in this account, we are still in the free 30-day trial period. So if it's something that you would like to upgrade to, you can ultimately do it a couple different ways. You can either click the upgrade to pro plan right in the top menu bar, and then it'll show you the yearly versus monthly subscription. And then once you click, say, the Go Pro, you then will be, as you see that in the background, using the same email. You ultimately will be able to put that on there. As you see as well, this one has the in trial coupon code, so that will be deleted from that total on this one. If you don't have a coupon code in there, you can enter one in here right now, and again, you will not be charged if you are in trial until your trial is up. So you just proceed to checkout, add all of your details and information inside of here, your account information, and then your um, credit card information. And I'm going to put just this information here, just as example. And then once you do that, you click next and you can submit your payment, and you would be upgraded to whichever you choose on that plan. I will show you the other way alternatively to do this as well. If my computer lets me go back, 1 second here. Oh, there we go. So if we go back to that, ultimately you can also scroll to your My Profile page, click Profile here, and go all the way down, and you can access it by either changing your plan here, updating your payment method, or adding a coupon code as well. Again, if you're in trial, everyone will get an email with the in trial coupon code for 10% off for life, so you can always add that here or once you change plans.